I don't know what that is. Is that a Rhode Island Red? Into the trees.